Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Got several packages here that I ordered for the help me out around here. And so the first one is, well, let me show you what it's to help take care of. So I printed off some of these signs to get the guys to drop off the deliveries in the right spot. The thing is that this is just one of those sheet protectors you put in a 3-ring binder, and it has the one end open, you just slide the paper in. On this, you slide the paper in from the bottom. I put it down there so no moisture would get up into it. But everything up here is just so wet up inside still. I don't know how the water got up in there, but it did. And so this ain't going to work. So I ordered some things, and here's one box here. And here's the other box. And so let's open up this one here first. And where is it? There it is. Gotta see which way it opens up. There we go. Oh, please read carefully before using. Yep, okay. And so this there is a instruction manual. And get this thing that off. Wow. Try to figure out how they got this. Oh, jeez. They really taped up. I'm going to have to use the knife to get this off, because they took the plastic bag, wrapped it around it, and taped it down. So I can't get at the part to open it up there. There we go. Now I got getting in there. There's still a lot of tape here on it. So what I have here is a laminator. And it's got on, off, and some other little control button here. And so I got to read all the instructions on it to make sure it works right. And before I go ahead and use it. And it came with 2 laminating sheets. Well, that's why I ordered this box. Because this box here, figure out which way it opens up best here. I don't want to open it up the wrong way and spill stuff every which way. Okay, that one that way. And that one that way. There we go. Now it should. There we go. So now I have 100 sheets for all sorts of things, for the making projects with the grandkids and getting all my signs taken care of, because I got a bunch of directional signs here. I got 3 leading them back to where they're supposed to do. I'm going to put 2 on the 2 there that says down here, because the one idiot just walked right by it, and it was actually in good shape, and around to the back door and put it at the back door instead of at the spot I wanted it. And with stuff going on here in the city, I'm making myself a no solicitors, violators will be arrested sign for both my house and my daughter's house across the street. And so we're going to chase off the all the stupid door-to-door salesmen that are being rude and everything to everybody. So that's what we got going on here. So that's the one set of opening here. And I'll have another one here probably tomorrow or the next day. It's supposed to be arriving. All right. I will also do a follow-up video, or I may tag it onto this one here. So this may continue on of me actually using this. All right. So I'm going to show you what or how the laminator works. So I'm going to move the camera and we'll get right at it here. Make sure that power light turns to, or the hot light turns to green, so that means it's ready to take it in. Oh, I forgot to show you. I'll show you this one. So basically, it's split down the sides. It's sealed on the end already, so I put the pieces in there, and then I feed them through. So I'm going to let that one go through, and then I got another one to go through. A couple more here. And it is quite warm. Yeah. So this one's ready. Making two signs that go with the what the city attorney says. Once you post no soliciting, if you add to the sign, violators will be arrested. You know, we can use that to stop solicitors from coming around. But they're still debating whether or not they want to charge fees to allow solicitors to solicit within the city. Now, I noticed the green light went out because it has cooled off the rollers enough going through with these here, but it's still hot. So it'll be back on here in a second. Yeah, it's still very hot. So not sure, but I thought I saw it flicker the green for a second. So yep, there's the green. And this is on the Thrill 3 mil, which is the slower feed through it. The 5 mil is faster. I guess it's 5 millimeters per second or whatever. The translation from Chinese to English, really leaves much to be desired. Yeah. The grandsons were over here, and I did a couple of the other ones while they were here. I didn't record it because they were, making a lot of noise and listening to TV. So I didn't want to get a strike. So I just did 3 of them just now. That's fairly quick. And so I can go put these up, and we'll be good. Go ahead and turn that off. And that's the way it works. And not bad little unit for the price. All right. See you around.